Alright, welcome to my channel. My name is Rance, and I'm going to be narrating a video for you. I totally know what that is. I'm not lying. Now just rub it on my face, and get all that stuff in, and put it on my forehead, and all on my face. And this stuff, I put under my eye, and then I put some more, and then I rub it all over, and then rub some more, then I rub this side, nose, everywhere. And this stuff is a spray, I'm assuming. No, it's not. I put it under my eye, and then I put the other one under my eye, and then put more on my eye, and then on my nose, up and over, and on my forehead, and over my eyebrows, and the makeup brush, and then I put it under my nose so I can smell it really good. Then I put it on my chin so I can taste it. Then I use my little puff ball to puff all my faces. And you gotta get all the white stuff off, I guess. I don't know what we're doing right here. Puffing it all over our faces, on our forehead, on our noses, under our eye, under our other eye, you. Yeah, put makeup brush beside my eye and my other eye. I put a little bit more on my other eye and a little bit more over here, and then scratch it, and then I put a little bit more over here, and a little bit more over here. Now smack it. And then I put a little bit more there. And then I put a little bit more over here. Put a dab of something right next to my eye. Or does it? Is it on that eyebrow? I don't know. I don't know for sure. Looks like it's on that eyebrow. Just keep doing that till you look fabulous. Then put some over here, a little bit more, and then I think we're gonna put some more over there. Yes, I was right. And then we put it on the eyebrow and all that snazzy stuff. Oh, right next to my eye. I don't think that's safe. Well, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Next to my eye again. And then I rub my face with the puff ball. I think that's the puff ball. That's the puff ball. Then wake up on my face and then look really good. And then I put some eyeshadow, which I know what that's called. Then some lipstick. I think that's lipstick. It might be. I don't know. Yes, I think it's lipstick. No. It's foundation. I think that's what that is. Yeah, I think that's what that is. Now, put some over here. And then you put some beside your nose. You put some under your chin. And you put some on your forehead. And puff the ball all around your face so you can get all the foundation on and stuff. I think that's what she's doing. think that's what she's doing. Put it over. Spreading it out. Put it all around, and then looks like a dip can. It's an eye can. That's what it is. It's an eye can. It's an eye dip can. That I put on my nose. And look for it. Now spread it all around my face. Just spread it all round and round and round. Now put some on my forehead. Now get this makeup brush and put some makeup on. Put some over here, over there. Then a little bit more over there. A little bit more over there. Over here, on top of my head. Why does she keep doing these things? Q-tip, that's what she needed it for. What is she doing right now? Looks like chopsticks. And another dip can. Then eye brush. Under the eye brush. That's what it's for. Duh. A little bit over here. A little bit over there. And a little over here. And a little bit over here. And a little bit over there. And more makeup. Yay! I think this is what this is all about. I'm pretty sure this is what it's all about. What's in here, guys? I don't know much about makeup. Just put under her eye, on the top of her head, then a brush to go under her neck, onto her ear, weird, on her nose, next to her nose, and under her nose, all over her face, at the top of her head again. She's doing it again. And some on her lips. That looked like what it was. That looked like what it was. That doesn't make sense. A little bit more over there. And some more over there. On the side of my face. Then I put some more on the side of my face, on my nose, under my nose, next to my nose, under my nose, and then I get the brush out, and then I use this color, whatever that color is, and then I put it next to my nose, then I put it next to my other side of my nose, then I use this little thing to spread it all out. Is that pupil? Yeah, that's pupil. At least that's what it looks like. Then you got curve the eyebrows really good. Make sure you get all the eyebrows. Wait, not the eyebrows, our lashes. I'm so stupid. Nice and curved. That's what she's doing, right? Yeah, I think that's what she's doing. Then she looks fabulous. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Catch me on Certain Beauty and Certain Beauty 06. And you already know me. And the other guy that created the music.